What's up guys, Everyday User here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate Windows 10. Now a couple of days ago I ran into a problem myself after updating Windows. It said my CD key is no longer invalid. But I managed to fix that. Now I want to show you guys how to do it. So you're going to need to know how to torrent in this, and if you don't know how to torrent, you can watch my video. There's a really quick tutorial on how to do it. So once you have uTorrent, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's going to send you over here, and this is the program that is going to reactivate Windows. So it also has Microsoft Office as well, which is pretty handy. So you're going to go ahead, click Get This Torrent. I have it installed already, so I'm not going to download it again, but once uTorrent finishes installing, it should be right here. Okay, we're going to open it. Now, open this packet. If you don't have WinRAR to open it, go download WinRAR. Extract this folder into wherever you want. I'm going to put it in the desktop. And for this to work, you need to first disable Windows Defender. I had a problem where the exe file inside just kept disappearing, so I needed to what's it called? Disable Windows Defender. Okay, so we're gonna click over to the Windows here and open Run. Alright, and in the Run command, you're gonna type in rpedit.msc. This is going to open this. Now you're going to go down to computer configuration, administrative templates. Okay, and then go down to Windows component and let's look for Windows Defender. Windows Defender right here. Okay, and what you are going to do is go over to turn off Windows Defender AntiVirus, edit, and click enabled. Alright, and apply. Okay, now once you have that done, we're going to go back to the desktop. Alright, okay, we're going to go into KMSpico install, and we're going to run this. Next. I have it installed already, so we're going to install. Do I have it installed? No, I don't have it installed, but I'm going to do it again. Okay, once that's installed, we're going to go ahead and go open it. And once you have that installed, you can go ahead and just click this red button right here. Once that's done, close
Program
it.
complete. Automatic.
Yeah, let's make some weird noise when you open it. Anyway, once that's installed, it's going to ask you restart.
Program complete.
Go ahead and restart. You go back here and set it back to the default, which is not configured for me. Alright, apply, close that, restart your computer, and when you open it back up, go to the control panel and see Systems and Security, System. Yep, it's activated. Voila, that's it. Alright, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, like, send it to your friends. Peace, guys.